Okay, last day of the week for you guys. It's time to put this thought about compound interest into a real form, because what happens if interest is compounded on a monthly basis rather than a yearly basis? This is much more what really happens in the world. Some banks advertise compounded monthly, others compounded weekly. So what do? It turns out that what we have to do is take the yearly interest. Remember, we were looking at 5%. So that's really 0.05 when we put it into decimals. And we divide this by 12 because there's 12 months in the year. So you're going to get 1/12 of 5% each month. When we do that, we come up with this being equal to 0.0042. Just slightly less than 0.5% per month. Now we go back to our compounded growth calculation, and let's do this again. So we have $1,000, that's our principal that we put into the bank. And then we have the 1 plus, in this case, because the period is going to be 0.0042, so it's going to be 1 plus 0.0042. Now, we have 12 months in every year, but we left the money in for 50 years. So now we've got 50 times 12, or 600 periods of compounding. So this is going to be raised to the 600th power. All right, so on your calculator, you'd go 1.0042 raised to the 600th power, and that turns out to be 12.36. So at the end of 50 years, if we compound monthly, we get $12,360 versus $11,460 if it compounds yearly. So you can see that the number of time periods that you're doing the calculation on can make a big difference in the ultimate result. Here you're getting $900 more at the end of 50 years by compounding monthly. So I'm going to give you a few problems to do and have you really get good at this, because this is how credit cards charge you interest. This is how you earn interest on bank accounts. And it's important for you to understand how the money is changing over time.